Okay, now here you need to find the value of k, right? Here this is a simple question actually. Now this is this is the first index rule. So the second, now when you have division and base is same here, right? 2 2, this is index, this is index. No, so anyway here division, when you have division with the same base, two number here, same number, same base, no, 2 2, and here division, so you can subtract this index from this one, this subtract this index, so you can write like this: 2 to the power 12 minus 4, k, here we have k, no, k over 2, from this index subtract this index. When you have this type of situation, we learn this index rule lots. So here same base, that base you can write this from this index, subtract this index, and this side will be this also. Let's say write with the 2 to the power something, we can write like that. 32 mean 2 to the power 5 actually, right? Because 2, if you multiply 5 itself, you will get 32. 2 into 2 into 2 into like that. So anyway, now in this equation you can see here equal, that means this side equal this side, no, and then you have same base, base also same. To be like that, this index, complete this index must be equal to this index, otherwise it can't be. Now here they tell equal, no, this base and this base same, we can see it here too, here too, so that's why this index must be equal to this. So you can write 12 minus k over 2 equal to 5. Now we need to make k as subject again. Now here very important thing, remember we can do even the other way also, but here this which what the letter we need to make as subject, that is with minus sign. No, when you have this type of situation, you can skip this minus sign easily if you brought this whole term to the other side, right? This minus k over 2, no, this one I will bring to this side, then I can make this to be positive plus, and then this 5 bring to this side. So I will do that both at once. But the here 12 will not change. 5 if I brought to here, it will be minus 5, because here there's no sign, that means plus. So for 5 if I brought to this side, it will be minus 5. This side means pass the equal sign, so here minus 5. And when I bring this minus k over 2 to other side, it will be plus k over 2, right? Then there's no minus sign with the letter of k. So what the letter we need to make as subject, it has no minus sign. Now it's easy. So 12 minus 5, it will be 7. So k over 2, right? Now you can apply get to k value cross multiplication, or just simply multiply both sides by 2. So here 7 into 2 14, 1 into k. So you have answer for k, but the k is 14, k equal to 14.